Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 5 Cumulative Merchants. We go to the instruction file. So assignment title is the EXP22 Excel Chapter 5 Cumulative Merchant. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. So we can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 5 Cumulative Merchants XLS Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. So question number 1 is complete. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is your first task is to sort the dataset on the Apparel worksheet. Ensure the Apparel worksheet active. Go to the Apparel worksheet and sort the data by a week in alphabetical order and further the sort it by category alphabetically order. Go to the data tab and click a sort group and sort the data by week. Add a data level and sort the data by week and order is alphabetically. Sort the data by week and then further the sort by category in alphabetically order. And second level is a sort by category. And the second level is a sort by category in alphabetically order. And order is a to Z. Click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is you want to focus on apparel sale within one a month. You will insert the subtotal row to display the total sale by a week, month and second. Add by category hoodies and t-shirt. Use the subtotal feature to insert the subtotal row by a week to calculate the total for a QTY sold and gross revenue. Add the subtotal feature. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the data tab and go to the outline group. Click subtotal and subtotal, insert the subtotal by a week, calculated the total or QTY sold and gross revenue. And at each change is by a week and use the function is sum function into by a subtotal row by week to calculate the total QTY sold and gross revenue. and use the function is sum and select the Ch05 sold and selected the gross revenue and click OK. Add a second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by category to calculate the total for a Ch05 sold and gross revenue. Add the second subtotal, go to the data tab and click auto outline, click a subtotal and at each change is a category and use the function is a sum function. Use the function is a sum function. Calculate the total by sold and gross revenue without the removing first subtotal. Without the Ch05 sold and gross revenue is selected. So remove the replacement current subtotal. Click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is to focus on the gross revenue, you will apply an auto outline and collapse a column. Create an automatic outline and collapse the outline above a gross revenue. Create a auto outline. Go to the Excel worksheet and apply the auto outline. Go to the data tab and click auto outline. Click a group and click auto outline. Modify the existing auto outline. Click OK. And collapse the outline above the gross revenue. Apply the collapse button is gross revenue. Click a collapse. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is next you want to create a blank pivot table and then name it. Display the Q2R worksheet and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Do not add the data to data model. Name the pivot table is a Q2R cell and change the name of the worksheet is a cell pivot table. Display the Q2R1 worksheet. Go to the Q2R1 worksheet, display and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Create a blank pivot table. Go to the insert tab and click recommended pivot table. Click blank pivot table. Create a blank pivot table in the new worksheet. And the sheet 1 is a new worksheet. And do not add the data label data model and name the pivot table as a QTR1 cell. Copy the pivot table name and go to the pivot table analyze tab. Click a pivot table and click the pivot table name is a QTR1 cell. Press enter button So the pivot table name is a QTR1 sales. And change the name of the worksheet is a sale pivot table. Copy the worksheet name, sale pivot table. Sheet 1 is a click a right click a rename and paste the name is sale pivot table. Press enter button. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a the pivot table should determine total number of items sold and the total gross revenue by category for the first quarter and place the category field in a row and place the gross revenue and QTY sold field is the value area. Place the category field to row, go to the Excel worksheet and category field to row area, click a category and drag the row area and place the gross revenue and QT sold is value area. Gross revenue, gross revenue is drag the value area and QTY sold is a value area. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is you will format the value in the pivot table to look more professional and change the custom name that display column heading and modify the sum of gross revenue with the custom name is total gross revenue and apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. Modify the sum of gross revenue. Custom name is a total gross revenue. Go to the pivot table, analyze, click a sum of gross revenue, click a value field setting and custom name is a total gross revenue. Copy the custom name and custom name is a total gross revenue and apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. Go to the number format, apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. Click OK and again OK. So the total gross revenue is apply the accounting number format and 0 decimal places. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is Modify the sum of Q_TY sold field with the custom name total Q_TY sold and apply the number format 0 decimal places and select the use a 1000 spectra option. Sum of Q_TY sold custom name is a total Q_TY sold. Copy the custom name and click the value area. Click a sum of Q_TY sold value field setting and go to the custom name. So custom name is a total Q_TY sold. Press Ctrl V, paste the name custom name and go to the number format. Click accounting number format. Apply the number format and number format with the 0 decimal places and use the 1000 spectral option. Apply the 0 decimal places and use the 1000 separator. Click a checkbox and click OK and again OK. So apply the number format. So question number 8 is complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is now you want to insert the timeline so that you can filter the pivot table by month and insert the timeline for the month field. Click or select the March filter the pivot table to display the only March data. Cut the timeline and paste the its cell is A9. Set the timeline width is 3.3 inches. Insert the timeline month field. Go to the insert tab and insert tab and go to the filter group. Click a timeline and click a month field. Insert the month field, insert the timeline, click OK. Click or select the March filter the pivot table to display only March data. Filter the March data. Filter pivot table display only March data. Click March and cut the timeline and paste the cell as A9. Cut the timeline and paste A9. Go to the chart, timeliner. Click right click and click a cut and paste is a cell A9. Go to the cell A9 and paste the timeline and set the timeline width is a 3.3 inches. Go to the timeline and go to the size group. Click width is 3.3. Press enter button. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is you want to create a pivot chart to display the percentage in a pie chart. Insert a pivot chart pie chart that depict the categories and gross revenue. Cut the chart and paste in the cell D1. Insert the pivot chart, category and gross revenue. Go to the Insert tab and insert a pivot chart. Depict the category and gross revenue. Insert the pivot chart. Click pie chart. Pie chart, data category and gross revenue. Click a pie chart, click OK. And cut the chart and paste the cell as a D1. Go to the chart and click a right click. Cut the chart and paste the cell as D1. Select the cell as D1 and paste the chart cell D1. So question number 10 is complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is next you want to remove the legend and display the data label. Remove the legend, display the data label in the best fits option. It's only category name and percentage label. Remove the legend, go to the chart and click the chart button, chart element button. Click remove the legend and display the data label in the best fit option, position in the only category name and percentage. Remove the legend, click a data label and go to the more option. Move the legend and display the data label to the best fit option with the only category name and percentage label. Only label option is the category name and remove the value, apply the percentage and remove the value, only category name and apply the percentage and percentage label and display the data label is best fit option. Click the best fit option. So question number 11 is complete. We can move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is you are ready to finish the pivot chart by adding a title and changing the width. Change the chart title to gross revenue and change the chart width is 3.9 inches. Copy the chart title as a gross revenue. Go to the Excel worksheet and click the chart title and paste the chart title as gross revenue and change the chart width is a 3.9 width. Go to the format tab and go to the size group. So width is a 3.9. Chart shape width is a 3.9. Type the 3.9, press enter button. So question number 12 is complete.